Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Miss Cosmo Philippines Maria Thisa Manalo is the winner at the first station. Philippines rejoice! Our very own Miss Cosmo Philippines has emerged victorious in the first station of the Cosmo People's Choice Award. She's proven her beauty, grace, and intelligence, and her fans have shown her unwavering support. As the winner of the first station, Miss Cosmo Philippines will receive a special Hope Star boost in the final stage. The Big Bang, a private photo shoot, and a VIP party, 24-hour media team support, and the chance to take over Miss Cosmo Instagram for 24 hours. Stay tuned for more details on these incredible prizes. Then, a huge shout out to all the contestants who participated in the first round. It's been an amazing journey so far, but remember, there are still 2 more phases to conquer. Keep fighting for the spot in the top 10 finalists. And don't forget, you have the power to make a difference. Vote for your favorite contestants in the Cosmo People's Choice and help them achieve their dreams. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!